nothing. Oh, there you go. There you go. Right there. Plum, they said. Maybe a blast too. This is pretty cool though. You just put this on. Like so. And you stick this in there like this. No, no. And then, before it gets small, you stick it on there and you wait. That is all. Okay, well, theoretically, we are out together. Check it out. Boom. That's the old POS. You gotta clean all that up. Boom. A little better. A little better. Now let's do the filter. Pause.